Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This Dillsbury Estate single family home is very desirable as it is a standalone unit in a small gated complex in Lower Jackshill. This two-story house is 3,355 square feet and sits on a 10,086 square feet lot. One of the most special features of this house is its backyard pool with its sizable deck and jacuzzi. The front garden has enough space for a small area for kids to kick a football or swing from a swing set placed under the bountiful mango tree. What also makes this house a must-have is the bedroom and full bathroom on the lower level, which is what many clients are often looking for. Additionally, there is a TV room on the lower level, an open plan kitchen, a living and dining room, a powder room, a laundry room, and staff accommodation. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, plus a walk-in closet in the primary bedroom and a hallway linen closet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 815,000 or Jamaican $131.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.